Welcome! In front of me I have REALME C3 and today we are going to make the phase unlock test. We are going to check how fast the phase unlock works and if it is reliable for sure. So we are going to make something like 10 tries. So let's make the first try to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah. So let's go, let's start. So as you can see, it works really fast and it works every time. I can even say that it works the same fast like the fingerprint sensor on the smartphone that you can find on the back of this phone. Yeah, so definitely the phase unlock of the REALME C3 works really good, really well, and I can recommend you this protection. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.